Hi everybody! Today I want to show you how to add checkboxes on a list. So what I want it to look like is like the one over here. I want to make sure that every time I complete a task that I'm able to click on the checkboxes so that I can make sure that everything is done. The first thing that we have to make sure of is that you have developer activated over here. If you do not have developer activated, the way you're going to do that is you're going to go over here in your ribbon, right click, customize your ribbon, and then you'll see over here there's an option for developer. So yours will have to be checked and clicked so that you can activate it. Mine is already clicked, and then you can just click on OK, and then over here you will see that there's the option for you to make use of developer. Right, so now we are ready to continue to add our checkboxes. So we're going to click on developer. We're going to say insert. We're going to add our checkbox over here. You can just drag it like you want it. You're going to just make sure it's where you want it. So here you'll see it says checkbox 60. It's just for you to be able to add wording to it. You can delete it completely. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say done. So it's just for my sake. You can do it however you want to do it. So now we want the checkboxes next to each item in the list. We can just drag it down in the right hand corner. So now the checkbox is everywhere. So now you'll see if you check them, they are all working and they're all there. However, what I also want to do is I want to make sure that they are interactive. For instance, I want to, if I make a check here, I want to also have a strike through the word, the item in the list, and I also want to gray it out a bit so that it's basically gone when it's checked, so then it only highlights the ones that's not done. The first thing that you have to do is you have to link your checkbox to some type of controls, format control, because we're going to apply formats eventually to all of the checkboxes. We have to link them first. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to right click on our checkbox over here, and then you will go to format control, and then in the control box here you're going to link your cell. For now I'm going to link C2 just to show you what it does when we do check them. So when I check it, you will be able to see if it's linked by checking it. So you will see if it's checked, it will say true over here. If it's unchecked, it will say false. However, I don't want the information to be over here. I want the information to be over the actual checkboxes. Otherwise, I'm going to have to hide this column just so that it's not there. However, we are not going to do it like that. You can keep it like that, but for my sake, I'm not going to do it like that. What I'm going to do is right click over here again, format control, and just change the cell link to be over here. Unfortunately, with Excel, you're going to have to do each of them manually. That's the only option. Excel does not have the option so that if you drag it down, it will link each one. So you're going to have to do it every time. So a good idea for you is to format your spreadsheet and just change your use the planning lists for all of your lists in the future. So you only have to do this once. So just keep the spreadsheet for you to use in the future. So let's go ahead and right click, format control, and just make sure that we link them. Right click, format control, and then link it. Right click, format control, link. Right click, format control, and then link again. Okay. So now if we check any of our boxes, you will see it will say true and false all over your checkboxes. The way that we're going to remove them is we're going to just highlight it here, select all of our cells, and we're going to change our words so that it's in white. So we're going to change it so that it's in white, so then you'll see it will disappear. Okay, so if we check and uncheck, you'll see there's nothing disturbing our checkbox right now. I'm just going to go ahead and delete the false over here. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that when we check any of these checkboxes, that there's a strike through the item in the list. So how we're going to do that is we're going to select all the items in our list. We're going to go to conditional formatting over here. We're going to highlight our cell rules and then say more rules. We're going to say use a formula. So over here in the formula, it's very easy. You're going to just equal it to your cell over here. We are going to make sure that it doesn't select each and every cell. We're just going to say for now we just want B2, and so we're just going to delete the $sign in front of the 2 over here. Just this is very important. So now we're going to apply the formatting. I'm going to say format over here. I'm going to make sure that there's a strike through or the strike through option is selected. Over here for the colors, we are going to just change that to a lighter gray and then click OK. There you go. So now if we select any of these options, you will see it will have a strike through, and then it will also change to a lighter gray. And that's how you apply checkboxes and also make them interactive. Thank you so much for watching my channel and also this video. Please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. And take care.